I was one of the pioneers. I mean, I was among the first 10 women ordained, so there's no escaping that fact. Every person is different, and I didn't have any real role models. I remember we had one meeting with Laura Geller when I was in school, and she talked to us about what do you wear when you're working as a rabbi. That was something that was on our mind at that point. So, I suppose in some fashion I have served as someone who set the tone. But I've always been aware of how very different women rabbis are from one another and how different male rabbis are from one another. So it's not like there's a particular mold that women rabbis fall into. I actually wrote this article quite a while ago, 1991, called How Women Are Changing the Rabbinate. And at that time I did it by doing research. I interviewed just about every woman rabbi who was out there working in the field, and to ask them about how they thought they might be working or living or thinking differently than their male colleagues. And 3 themes emerged. One is that they cared more about balance in their life. Second is that they really spent a lot of time cultivating close relationships with their congregants and seemed to care more about that than rising to the top of the pyramid of a large congregation. And third was empowerment, that they focused much more on sharing skills with their members than on being the sole authority figure. So now I would say those really have transformed the rabbinate, but some of that is generational. The impact of women on their male colleagues and the impact of younger colleagues on all of us have, I think, changed the rabbinate.